In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font weight of product titles on product pages in Shopify Dawn theme. And as an example, here's the same page on my site where the product title is displayed in bold. As you can see, it stands out much more clearly on the page. So to apply this change to your own theme, the steps are as follows. Let's first log into Shopify admin account and then select online store. Now locate Dawn theme, then select customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on drop down and then select products, then click on default product. Then on the left under template, click on product information, scroll a bit down till you find the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the product title. Let's right click on it, then select inspect. The class selector will be targeting is product _title and h1 tag inside of it. Perfect, let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period product _title space h1. Open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type font -weight, space, bold, followed by semicolon. Once finished, just save the changes. Then allow a few minutes for the changes to update and then go back to your website. Let's try refreshing the product page. And as you can notice, the product title is now displayed in bold, and this change will be reflected on other product pages, like right over here. So for now, that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.